You're watching Itoto TV.
Yolanda wakamnyiphika usigode uthele Dino Mayoba ngijabulile nje enjoy kumnandi.
Anyone who is famous right now, ubani ongadansa naye?
Famous akwamanje ngamboni.
No, uyadansa naye.
Lana.
Amapiano artist. Hayi. Umamela music.
Mapiano ngathi insana nobani ino Scott.
Athini manje?
Yo ngicela ngithini?
Nangu
Ngifuna ukubangala ngihlala nabo bomakazi nogogo nomalume. Ngibabonga nje kakhulu. Ngiyabonga umsebenzi wabantwana basekhaya support nje uthando banginikeze lona. So thanks nje kubo bonke.
Basambe man. Hayi wena man. Hayi wena man. Athini man? Hamba kanjani? Hamba kanjani? Atso fune man. Atso fune man. Uyithanda kanjani?
Okay, my name is Nondumi Sonchangase. I'm doing grade 12J. I'm so happy to be here. I want to thank my mom for everything.
Okay. So if there's any famous artist, I'm a piano artist you would like to dance with right now, who would it be?
Yo, Setru.
Setrin. Since when? It's your last year in high school. Which memory would you take with you now you're gone?
Yo, I will not forget this station. Yeah, Nale School.
And then how do you feel today?
Okay. Hi guys, my name is Sihle Pride #Makula. So I'm so happy, I'm so excited. I've been waiting for this moment since ever, so I'm glad it's finally here.
If there's one piano artist that you would like to dance with, who would it be?
It will definitely be Mahu, yeah. I like her vibe, I like her aura, her persona. Yeah. She's such a cool person.
Any dance move would you like to explore?
Any must I do it now?
Nangu mama.
Okay. On the floor.
Okay.
Yeah, woman.
I can't dance.
This is your last year.
Yeah.
Take with you wherever you're gonna go next time. What memories from high school?
Definitely this metric dance. Most definitely because I planned everything. This metric dance, definitely, yeah. This best day of my life, darling. Tell you what, yes. Okay.
Foka vilakazi ujile umphephethu mancama ngesinto esihle ngisho yena undaba umthiyana umhlungu wahambe ethuka abantu ngingihlamba ngisho kodwa ke uyumfoka mphephethu ake lona mina ngumrangi but then abantu bangikena njengo shori something like intonyana nje nothing much yeah Masocha himself yo amina namhlanje sizowa into engizoyisho sizowa inkinga lo akashesha akashanta eshesha mina ngizibeka sicade kuzowa
ngabe kuyimovie eish ejo bozothini ngabe bathi lo suku lanamhla imovie igama le movie
This ngisacaba ke inkinga isingisi sinokukhahlela kancane kodwa ke mina lo suku la namhlanje bengizolibiza ngithini greatness ngitshela indaba ngithi greatness ngoba namhlanje kuzobuya great
like
One famous artist la eMzansi. Ngabe nani bani bongafuna ukujayiva naye?
mina Tony Diamond
mina cho cowboy khawuzawu
hamba kanjani athi sewufuna imali hamba kanjani angithi labafana be-shake sanders noma don't understand baphethe itrach ema-under 10 baphethe ivibe yama-2000 angithi labafana be-shake sanders noma don't understand baphethe itrach ema-under 10 baphethe ivibe yama-2000 hayi noma ungenzani ngekubatele u-uncool sekabathele angithi umaphuma sekabavalele emavaskozini bathi kuyashele anoma ungenzani ngekubatele u-uncool sekabathele angithi umaphuma sekabavalele emavaskozini bathi kuyashelela man hayi wena mani hayi sibabonile hayi kanjalo sewufuna imali uyithanda kanjani
Awuzweke. Asekonakele ke manje sami. Zina bafana bayenzani? Asiyenze kanje sami. Ayona suka lapho kungasitili mawuphethe thina vele kuyashelela 2.2 1.1 u-shakes endezemakholeni ithi hamba nabo ungabuyeli asiphinde kodini ungive kahle naye wena suka mani ungasiteleli mawuphethe thina kuyashelela 2.2 bake 1.1 i-shakes endezemakholeni ithi hamba nabo ungabuyeli
labafana be-shake sanders noma don't understand baphethe itrach ema-under 10 baphethe ivibe yama-2000 angithi labafana be-shake sanders noma don't understand baphethe itrach ema-under 10 baphethe ivibe yama-2000 hayi noma ungenzani ngekubatele u-uncool sekabathele angithi umaphuma sekabavalele emavaskozini bathi kuyashele anoma ungenzani ngekubatele u-uncool sekabathele angithi umaphuma sekabavalele emavaskozini bathi kuyashelela man hayi wena mani hayi babonile
I'm nervous currently.
My name is Chimangazo. My name is Chitabana. I'm so excited today. Yeah.
I'm Ladi, and then I don't even know what to say. I'm so excited. I've been waiting for this moment.
Yeah. So if there was one famous artist, I'm a piano artist you'd like to dance with, who would it be?
It would be Uskas Mapuma. Even though I'm aggressive, but yeah.
How?
Yeah, with the egg, Uskas.
Yeah. If this night was a movie, what would you title it?
The best day of my life.
My name is Watiba. Yeah, it's Watiba, and I go and my nickname is Tsotso. So I'm feeling, I'm excited. As you know, I'm speechless.
And then if this night was a movie, what would you title the movie?
Last time in Matric.
Last time in Matric.
Yes.
Okay, and your name is?
Okay, my name is Roto Namutau.
I'm very ecstatic. I'm very happy to be here today. I'm so excited.
So if there was one piano artist you'd like to dance with, who would it be?
Young Stana. Yes, Young Stana.
Okay guys, what memories are you going to take out from this school, Nilisiwa Secondary School, since this is your last day?
Yo, that's a very difficult question. We're gonna make sure that we enjoy this night. We make the best out of it, you know, because it's gonna be one of our last memories.
Hey guys, I'm feeling happy guys. Oh, I don't believe it's so figure la. Hey, it's your step boy one ele show deal. Yeah. Niyabona mosina, niyabona. Sijabulile kumnandi. I want to thank my mom. Yeah, ngifuna ukubonga iOledi kuphela niyabona mos. Uye wonke lo designer. Niyabona. Yabona.
Rose ngijabulile yonke into yami right nje. Happy.
Now if this night was a movie, what would you title the movie?
Yo, ngasho ukuthi angazi Lisiwa Secondary School Magic Dance Tonton, yeah.
So if there's any famous artist you'd like to dance with, who would it be?
Tell Chigiti. Wema.
Yes.
Ngitetele. Wema. Engabukhona la. Ukhona lona engithandana naye.
Who would you like to send a shout out to?
Abazali bami, sisi wami, umama wami nobaba wami. Umndeni wami wonke ngawubona.
I'd like to shout out to Sis Ida because she's the one who played the magic dance for me. Thank you.
I can bring to your expectations to fulfill any fantasy. If what I am is what you need, love me for me and not for someone that I will never be. 'Cause what you get is what you see, and I can be any more than what I am. Love me for me, don't love me, no, don't love me. Don't think you're gonna change what's inside of me. Make me who you want me to be. Won't be someone I'm not for somebody else, someone else. Love me with all my imperfections, not for an image of your desire. Love me for what you see inside. Love me for me and not for